All right, folks. Today we've got this really cheap little plastic race car set. And today I really want to take the race car apart because I feel like I want these axle pieces to use later. I believe they're made of metal. I may have a use for those. Now let's look at these. I'm sure if you've seen videos of people taking apart Matchbox cars, Hot Wheels, you've seen them drill out these little studs on the ends. And what that looks like, let me get my little diagram here. Here's the surface of the work. And this is the way a rivet looks. It's a shaft, and then it comes out over the material, holds everything in place. So we're going to pick a drill bit. We really don't need one that's this big, end to end. We really just need one that's slightly bigger than this to drill this head off. I've got that picked out here. I'm using an 1/8 inch. And for safety, let's zoom in here. Like I say, for safety, I'm not doing this and then trying to drill. If it goes all the way through, it's going to be a problem. Going to tear my hand up. What we'll do is put it on this rest here and start drilling a little bit. Let's see. There we go. And now we got the back done. Oh, there we go. And when you do it, you can feel a pop. So now we've got the pieces we wanted. These little steel rods. And if we needed to do something with this, we haven't really torn it up. Still have the top of the car too, if we need to do anything with it.